to Season 8 of Foresight on the Road. I'm Danny McGee, Director of Innovation at Foresight Management. I'm sitting here with two of our clients from 6K and 6K Additives. Bruce and Frank, why don't you guys introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit about what you guys do.
Thanks, Danny. Appreciate it. My name is Bruce Bradshaw. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for 6K. I run marketing across the organization. We have multiple divisions, which I'll get into in a second, but I'll let Frank introduce himself.
Yeah, so Frank Roberts, president of 6K Additive.
Cool. So I don't know which one of you guys wants to go first, but can you tell me a little bit about the work and business and what you guys actually do? And
Sure.
produce?
Yes, I'll jump in. So 6K is a company that has an innovative manufacturing technology called the Unimelt, which is the system that you see behind us right now that Frank uses in production. And that system allows us to produce critical materials for a bunch of different vertical markets. And so the parent company, 6K, has several divisions, of which 6K Additive is one, and Frank will tell you a little bit more about that. And we have other divisions. 6K Energy is one other division. We have another division called 6K Next. But the core focus for the company is to develop this innovative technology for sustainable manufacturing of critical materials. And that's kind of the nature of the company and where we're focused all throughout the organization. And so 6K Inc. is the parent company, and as I said, we have business divisions. Inc. In that group, there's obviously the corporate leadership team, but also engineering and development of the Unimelt, marketing, finance, and a few other functions
and I
there.
think we talked to us a little bit last night. You guys are mostly U.S. or all U.S. based, and
The facilities are local in domestic in the U.S., but in the not too distant future, we will be setting up facilities overseas for different markets, and we do have employees. Frank has one he'll tell you about, actually based in Europe as well. So we are going to be a global organization in the not too distant future.
And you want to talk a little bit about 6K Additive?
Sure. Yeah, so on the additive side of the business, we're essentially leveraging the plasma, microwave-based plasma technology for additive materials, so powders, spherical powders going into additive manufacturing. As a whole, though, the additive division really has two business segments, what we call the alloy business segment, and that is all about upcycling and creating value streams for materials that are going into various alloy applications, melt applications. On the powder side of the business, we're really focused on kind of creating a feedstock, an angular feedstock that then we can leverage the Unimelt plasma to sphericize materials to ultimately go into the 3D printing world.
Every time I talk to you guys, I feel like the words are somewhat made up, but we'll get in to what all of the plasma, the additive manufacturing, the sustainability journey, all of this in some of the different episodes coming up. Thanks.
You can't have too much of that on film, by the way.
What's that?
That we're going to play golf this afternoon.
That's true, yeah.
We're playing glow golf at night after, I don't know.
After a long day at work.